How to enable or disable double-click side button to pay on iPhone. First is by going to your settings and then scroll down until you can see wallet right here. And then make sure to add your card first right here. And then you may be able to see a button like this one, which says double click side button. So whenever you enable this double click side button or disable this double click side button, you will either um, double click on your side button if you want to pay or not. Again, you need to have your cards linked on your phone first before you may be able to have this option right here. So just to recap, simply go to settings and then look for wallet and click on that button found on the double click side button. So it is turned on whenever it is color green and turned off or disabled if the toggle button is color void. So there you go. That's how you can enable or disable double click side button to pay on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.